Hi everybody, today I will show you WordPress photography website tutorial. So let's just begin. So I have already installed the WordPress. So if you want to build the photography website for your business, first of all, I would recommend you to buy a hosting from any hosting platform. It can be any platform of your choice. Okay, you can actually choose the hostinger, you can actually choose the Bluehost, you can actually choose the GoDaddy. So what would you need to do? You would have to buy the hosting and you have to buy the custom domain as you want to build the website for your business. But right now I'm actually using the free hosting of this SaaS platform, which is Pantheon. And as you can see here, this is the dashboard of the Pantheon, and I can create the two websites with this current plan, which is actually the free plan. Okay, so what would you need to do to buy the hosting? The process is pretty simple. All you need to do, you'd have to go to the platform. It could be the anyone. For example, I'm taking the example of the hostinger. What would you need to do? First of all, you would need to sign up for the hostinger. Then you have to buy the hosting. Then you have to install the WordPress on your hosting. Okay, so the process is pretty simple. So let me just close all of these tabs here. Okay, so now we are inside our WordPress. Okay, so this is how your WordPress will look like when you install the WordPress on your hosting. Okay, so what I need to do, I have to go inside the plugin and I have to add a new plugin here. So we will simply install the Yoast SEO plugin. Okay, so that is basically to improve the SEO of our website. So let's just install this and activate this. And now what we need to do, we have to do the first time configuration for the Yoast. Okay, so I think we are good here. So let's just go back to the plugin and install a new plugin here. Okay, so we have the Yoast here, so I have to install a new plugin here. So click on the add new, and now I would like to install the Elementor here. So Elementor is basically the website builder that you can use to build your WordPress website. It is actually the easier way to build your WordPress website, and it also does come with a lot of the templates. So let's just install this plugin and let's just activate this. Okay, so you can do all of these configuration if you want, but right now I just want to skip this. So click on a skip, skip. All right, so let's just skip this again. Okay, so this is actually the Elementor editor for your website. So let's just close this. And right now I just want to go back, so I will just simply click on this and click on the exit. Okay, so decide later. Okay, so we have installed the two plugins here. The first one is the Yoast SEO and the second one is the Elementor. So now I also have to install the starter template. Okay, so for that I just need to repeat the process. So I'll go into the plugin and add the new plugin. Okay, so let's just install the starter template. So starter template, and as you can see that we have the starter template by Brainstorm Force. Okay, so we have to install this, and now I have to activate this, and we will actually choose the template of our website from starter template. So let's click on the C library, and now you just have to click on build your website now, and we want to use the Elementor as a page builder. Okay, so as you can see here, we have bunch of different templates here that we can use for our website. And some of these templates are actually the premium template, which simply means that you need to buy them. Okay, so we wanted to create a photography website. So for the photography template, I will just simply click on the professionals, and in the professional, I would click on the photography. And now you can simply click any template that is free to use. So now I'll just simply look for the template here. Okay, so I think we can go with this template here, the vlogger. So let's click on this template. So if you want to upload your own logo here, you can simply upload it from here. So let's just click on the upload file here, and you can select the files from your computer. So this is how you can actually select the logo. So I just simply go with my image here. So just click this and select my image as a logo. Alright, so let's click on the continue. We can also change the width of our logo, but right now let's click on the continue, and as you can see here, we have our logo here. So let's just click on the continue. Okay, so we can also change the theme color from here. So let's click on this theme, and as you can see that we can actually change the theme color from here. So right now I just go with this default color. Alright, and you can also change the fonts from here if you wanted to. So let's just click on this font and this font, and as you can see here, we have changed the font. So I just will go with the Poppins here. Alright, and I just click on the continue, and you just have to fill this little detail about yourself. So let me just complete this. Alright, so let's just click on submit and build my website, and it will actually take few minutes to install this template on your WordPress website. It actually depends on the speed of your internet. Okay, so I think our template is installed. Okay, so our website is ready, and it took just 25 seconds to build. So let's just click on view website, and you will be able to see that photography template as your website here. Okay, so as you can see here that our website is ready. Okay, so let's just have a look at our website, and I think it looks great now. So let's go back to the top. Okay, so now we will actually customize our website with the Elementor. So let's click on edit with Elementor. Alright, so now I can easily customize our website from here. Okay, so now you can see here. Okay, so for example, I just want to change this heading. So I will just simply click on this heading, or we can also go into this navigator. We can see the heading here. So I will just simply click here, and you can see that I can simply change the value of our title from here. Okay, so I will just simply put my name here. That looks perfect. And we can also change the size of my heading, and we can also change the tag here, and we can also change the style of our heading here. So if you want to change the color, you can change the color of the heading here. So if we want to change the typography of our heading, we can simply do it from here. And you can also see the other formatting options here. So let's go back. Alright, and if you want to delete this heading, you can simply do it from here. And you can also see the other formatting options here. Okay, so if you want to delete this heading, what would you need to do? You can simply click on the heading here. You just need to do the right click, and from here you will be able to delete the heading. Okay, so if I want to use the image, I will simply click and drag the image from here, and we will have our image here. So you can simply choose your image from here. So let's click here, and you can see that we can actually import the image from here. So let's just tag any image from here. Okay, so I just want to tag this image, select, and as you can see that we can have the image in this way, and you can even change the size of your image. So I would go with the medium size, and you can even change the alignment of your image, and you can add the caption, you can add the link. Alright, so in the similar way we can also add the other things such as the video, divider, spacer, image, and heading and button, and etc. Okay, you can also see the other options here as well. So you can simply add all of these other things in the similar way. Okay, so let's just update our website now, and let's just click on this button and click on the view page, and we'll also go back from here. Okay, so this is our website right now, and you can also see the menu here. So if you want to change the menu, or if you want to add the other pages onto the menu, so how you can do that? So we'll simply go into the WordPress pages, and as you can see here, so we have the Elementor 6, we have the home, we have the privacy policy, and we have the sample page. And as you can see here in the menu, we don't have the sample page. So how can we add the sample page onto our menu? So let's just go back to our dashboard, and we have to go inside the appearance, and in the appearance, as you can see here, we have the menus. Let's just click on it, and as you can see here, we have this default menu in which we have the home, about me, vlog, gears, and get in touch. So how can we add the sample page? All we need to do is to check on the sample page and click on add to menu, and this is how the sample page is added to our menu. So I can also change the order by dragging this. Okay, so this looks fine now. So let's just save the menu, go back to our website and let's just refresh this, and you will be able to see the sample page in our menu. Alright, so this is how we can add the pages to our menu. As you can see the sample page here. Okay, so this is it, and this is how we can create the photography website in WordPress. And if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.